what we need to do today as a group is realize that the people you're talking to inside large company like that, they don't understand the world of what you're talking about. Even blockchain is a mystery, right? They think about, in their imagination, it's very weird. You talk about ledger, you're gonna have like all the accountants in the room jump in and say, oh yeah, I get that. I know what is the ledger. And they have to say like, no, that's not the one you're thinking about.
Everybody must understand that these systems that we currently have in place, right, are based not only on, trust of, do I trust the central bank or do I trust this person? Do I trust that this transaction that I said would happen, will happen? Do I know whether it happens in X amount of time or Y amount of time that's even better?
It costs about $20 million to create a new OTC derivative contract, and most of that is driven by attorneys. So, obviously that's sorry, Andy.
That's a good, great, excellent example.
Every company that works in finance, large one, banks, anything, they will think about only 3 categories. First one is payment or moving money. The second one is security risk management. And the third one is data analytics.
What you wind up with is people who are like, oh yeah, blockchain's awesome. And you're like, well, it's kind of interesting because you're only obfuscating the parties in this transaction, so you're still exposing the open interest. Oh, you said it was encrypted. That type of conversation still happens. Of course, not with any of the R3 members, of course, no one has ever done anything bad that I work with.
I think one thing that works for us is when people come out to visit us in Silicon Valley and we can show them around. I always say, there's the old phrase that a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, then you've got what, a video is worth 1,000 pictures, and a demo is worth 1,000 videos, right? So if you can get people into a hands-on demo that makes them go, oh, I get this now.